In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card account in Xero. To get started, log into Xero and head over to the Accounting menu. From there, open Bank Accounts and select the credit card account you want to reconcile. This is where you'll review the transactions that have come through from your credit card statement and compare them against what has already been recorded in Xero. The goal here is to make sure everything lines up correctly so your records stay accurate and up to date. Once you're inside the credit card account, begin identifying the items that need to be matched. Look at each purchase showing on the statement and compare it to the corresponding receipt or bill already entered in Xero. This step is important because it confirms that the spending on the card has been correctly recorded in your accounts. Take your time here and check key details like the transaction amount, the date, and the supplier or merchant name. If everything matches properly, you'll know you're linking the bank feed transaction to the right record. As you continue, you'll also want to look for any payments made toward the credit card balance. These are usually transfers coming from your business bank account into the credit card account. When you find one of these, make sure it's matched as a transfer, rather than being treated like a regular expense. This helps avoid duplication and ensures the movement of money between accounts is recorded correctly. If you classify a transfer the wrong way, it can throw off both your bank account and your credit card balance, so this part deserves a little extra attention. After matching the purchases and identifying the transfers, the final step is to confirm everything. For each item that matches correctly, click OK to approve the reconciliation. This tells Xero that the transaction from the credit card feed has been successfully linked to the correct record in the system. Work through each line carefully until all matching items have been confirmed. A helpful tip as you go is to reconcile regularly rather than leaving too many transactions to build up at once. It makes errors easier to spot and helps keep your financial information reliable. By following this process, you'll keep your credit card account clean, organized, and fully aligned with your records in Xero.